Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play 3 card poker. 3 card poker is a gambling card game with combinations that is basically another poker variation with 3 cards. So yeah. The game is using a regular deck of 52 cards from 2 to aces without jokers and betting chips such as poker chips. If you're not having any chips then you can use coins, buttons, matchsticks, or basically anything you find in your house. You can also use a special surface with circles that are indicating bets, but it is optional, you can play without it. The rank of cards is the classic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace, which means that 2 is the lowest card, while Ace is the highest. The amount of players is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or even more, and the objective is getting a certain amount of chips. Deal. Each player is getting 3 cards with 3 cards at a time. Then the deal ends and the gameplay begins. So before looking at cards, ante is made, which is made by a player and is also personal. So each oh, so and they're choosing one of the three options. The options: play bet, pair plus bet, and happy six bet. The first one is just the regular bet. You can decide the number before the game. For example, it will be 10. The the second one is changing the payout, and the third one is basically allowing the owner is the owner combining dealer's cards with their combination and is also changing the payout. And speaking of dealer, they they are they can they can participate in the round only after going through the verification. The virtue and basically queen or any higher card is letting them to go through. However, but otherwise they will basically not they will stop participating in the round. So yeah. And they will also pay with their chips to opponents based on ante and bets made by opponents. So yeah. Oh, and if the dealer will not participate, then the play bet will not be is not used. So yeah. So now it's time to talk about combinations. So the the rank is pair, which is 2 cards of one rank. Flush, which is 3 cards of one suit. Straight, which is a sequence of 3 cards, for example, 2, 3, 4, or Queen, King, Ace. Set, oh wait, no. Three of a kind, which is 3 cards of one ring. And straight flush, which is 3 cards of one rank sequence. So yeah. And basically, so, so uh, so So basically, sorry for the long pause. The owner of the highest combination will get a payout in the end of the round. So basically, the payouts for the playback. Straight is giving one chip, set is giving three chips, and straight flush is giving five chips. Payouts for pair plus bet. Pair is giving one chip. chip. Flush is giving three chips. Straight is giving six chips. Uh, three of a kind is giving 30 chips. Straight flush is giving 40 chips. Royal flush is giving 50 chips. So yeah. And finally, for bets for the wait no bets after choosing the happy six bet. Set is giving 7 chips. Straight is giving 10 chips. Flush is giving 15 chips. Four of a kind. Four of a kind gives 100 chips. Straight flush is giving 200 chips. And finally, Royal Flush is giving 1000 points. Oh wait, no. 1000 chips, which means that pair is giving the lowest amount, while Royal Flush is giving the highest amount in the entire game. So yeah, also you should watch my how to play Texas Hold'em video to learn more about poker combinations. So yeah. So basically in each round players are choosing bets. After choosing everything, everyone is revealing all of their cards. The owner of the highest combination gets each payout. Then the round ends and the next one begins. The game goes until basically the game goes until players getting a certain amount of chips and opponents or one opponent only without that amount of chips loses the game. Each opponent player wins the game, but that is optional. So yeah. Right, I told you everything about this game. Hope you enjoyed it. Next video, hope you now know how to play 3-card poker. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So, goodbye, everyone.